With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Everyone, let's read the question. The following summaries describe some published research results. The first research is by Wu and Li in 1985. The comparative analysis of homologous genes between human and mouse genomes suggests that the evolutionary rate of homologous genes was higher in the mouse lineage than in the human lineage. Then research 2 by Smith and Donohe in 2008 says that the plant families Caprifoliaceae, Asclepiadeceae and Lamiaceae are composed of both herbaceous and arborescent species. Alright, the comparative analysis of homologous genes between the herbaceous and arborescent species within a single plant family suggests that the evolutionary rate of homologous genes in herbaceous lineages were faster than that of the arborescent lineages in all three plant families. And research 3 by Gilman et al. In 2009 said that the comparative analysis of 130 homologous mitochondrial genes between a sister species pair of vertebrates from the temperate region and from the tropical region indicate that the base substitution rates of homologous genes from the tropical region are 1.7 times faster than that of the temperate region. Based on these studies, which of the following statements best describes the common evolutionary process in plants and animal genes? Alright, so the statements that are given to us are: the evolutionary rates of genes are accelerated in short-lived animals and plants. Okay, then second is the evolutionary rates of genes are accelerated in higher animals and plants. Then third is the evolutionary rate of genes are accelerated in animals and plants which lived in high temperature regions. And the last is the direct comparison of homologous genes between animals and plants show that the plants evolve faster than animals. So from all these sentences that are given to us, the correct statement will be option 1. Why is it? Let's see. Okay. In first research, the homologous genes were studied between a mouse and humans. Alright. And in the second research, the homologous genes were studied between herbaceous plants and arborescent plants. Alright. Herbaceous plants will include the herbs, whereas the arborescent plants will include the plants that look like trees, right? So their homologous genes were studied. Now through this, it can be concluded that the short-lived species with quick generation replacement will evolve faster. Alright, what will happen? It will evolve faster as compared to the long-lived species. Alright, and this is because the new genetic variations, they occur in each generation. Alright, they will occur in each generation, but this is because of the mutation. Alright, this is because of the mutation in the sex cells. Alright, so those species which are short-lived and which will quickly divide, right, which will quickly give us new generations, will show more species diversity. Alright, and this is based on the environment as well as time. Therefore, in the two researches, we saw that the mouse homologous genes had higher evolutionary rate, and here the herbaceous plant species had higher evolutionary rate. Now both of these species are what? Short-lived species, alright, and that's why we can conclude that the short-lived animals had higher evolutionary rates, alright. And in the third research, what they have done is that they have taken 130 homologous mitochondrial genes from temperate region and tropical region. So now what? Now the temperature factor is also brought in observation. So we are taking different geographical areas from temperate and tropical regions, and it was found out that there was more evolutionary diversity or more species diversity in the tropical region. And why is that? Because the temperate regions have been subjected to constant glaciations in the past, alright, and that's why it shows low diversity, whereas the tropical regions have remained undisturbed for a very long time, right? And there hasn't been much seasonal changes in the tropical regions, and that's why it shows more diversity. Okay, so through these all three researches, we conclude that the evolutionary rates of genes are accelerated in short-lived animals and plants. Okay, so option 1 is the correct answer here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.